Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you exactly how to add a video in PowerPoint. First of all, open the PowerPoint app. After opening the PowerPoint, click on the insert option from the top bar. Under the insert section, you will find the option to insert a video, usually located in the top right corner. Simply click on the video option here. Upon clicking this option, you will have two choices. You can either upload a video from your device or insert an online video. For this tutorial, we are inserting an online video, but you can choose the other option as well. Here you can use a video from a different online sources. To do this, paste or enter the address of the video you want to add via online platforms. Firstly, select the source from where you want to copy the video. To get the URL, open up the web browser. Then open up YouTube as an example. Once it's open, search for the video you want to add. You can do the same for the other platforms as well. After finding the video, click to copy the URL of the video. Or you can click on the share icon below the video. Here you can copy the URL link, and you can also select the time of the video from where you want it to be played on your presentation. Just select the option of a start at the time you want it to begin. After copying the video URL, paste it back in PowerPoint. Click on Insert to add the video in PowerPoint, and as you can see, the video has been added to PowerPoint. After adding the video, adjust it on your screen, click on its corner and drag to expand it for full screen. You can also drag and drop it to change its position. Next, set its format by click on the video format from the top bar. Then click on Corrections. Here you can adjust the brightness or contrast and select different colors in the color section. Besides the color, we have a poster frame. You can upload a new image for use as a poster frame or go with the current one. Then we have the option to reset design. After that, we have animation to select the animation of our video. We can also select the transition of our slide. Next, we have a video format where we can choose video styles, shape border, and video effects. Then we have playback where we can select video options like on-click sequence. Once it's all done, click to play the video and check if it's all working well. Your video is now ready. You can work on other slides and present in whatever you want. So this was all about adding a video in PowerPoint. If you guys enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions down below.